Welcome to this video on different types of machine learning models. In this video, you will learn about the different types of machine learning models and which models could be most suitable for momentum trading. There are two main types of machine learning models: machine learning classification, where the response belongs to a set of classes like 0, 1, -1, etc. And the other is machine learning regression, where the response is continuous. Which type of machine learning model should we use to capture momentum? Classifier or regressor? As our task is to predict the positive or negative momentum, we will use the classification models. Again, for the classification tasks too, there are many models like logistic regression, decision trees, SVM, random forest, KNN, naive Bayes, XGBoost, etc. Out of these many classification models, which model should we use? Well, we can use any model because they all essentially are used to carry out the same type of task, that is classification, but for illustration purposes, we will be using the XGBoost model for classifying the momentum. That's all for this video.